Hello people, welcome to my channel. It's me, Promita. Hope you are doing very well. Today I'm just gonna create a zombie look. I hope you will enjoy it. I have just created this look. If you are interested to know how did I do it, then please watch till the end. So let's just jump into the video. The dough I'm making for my video. Okay, this is flour, 2 spoon of flour and water. I'm just mixing it. Mix this until you get this soft dough. For the fake blood, we will need roux afza. You can use honey instead of it. I'm taking a small amount of roux afza and I'm adding red color in it. Then I'm just mixing this too. After mixing the red color, we will need a green color. I'll add a small amount of green, then I'll mix it, and this is our fake blood. I'm squeezing the dough on my forehead. After that, I'm having a kitchen sponge and dabbing it. After dabbing it, I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting it very carefully. Please, very carefully in this part. I'm just doing the same thing just on the different part of my face. Again squeezing the dough and then dabbing it with the same kitchen sponge and then cutting it. Again, please be very careful about cutting. A larger amount of dough and put it on your lips. After that, just dab that. I'm just dabbing it. And then I'm taking the same scissor and just shaping. Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation and I'm putting it on my dough and just blending it with that same sponge. Don't blend it too harshly because then it will move your dough. Then I'm blending all over my face with the same foundation. You need to be very careful in this part, otherwise you will just ruin your all the dough. Blend it very softly. I'm taking the fake blood and putting it on that cut which I have made with that scissor, and this I'm just spreading the fake blood all over the dough. I am actually doing the same thing here again. You need to be very careful with the lips because there is a larger amount of dough. Now I'm taking the stapler pen and I'm just putting it on over the dough. I'm saying it. Okay guys, the stapler pin is not touching my skin because there is enough dough for the stapler pin. So don't worry about that. This won't hurt your lips or your skin. Just be gentle. Completing this look, I'm just adding a black eyeshadow over my eyelids, or all over my eyes actually. And then I'm just doing my other eyebrow with the black pencil and a spoolie. This is the completed look. If you wanna see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Stay safe guys, stay home. Bye bye.